The world has become so immediate. Do you ever feel that you can't keep up? Do you ever feel that it's hard to keep the attention of your clients? Are you overwhelmed with the number of messages you get from a variety of applications all at the same time? Does your company spend endless time and resources trying to stay ahead of the game to engage your customers, trying to meet the demand while also keeping their attention? Well, I certainly do, and guess what? I figured out why. The main cause of customer fickleness, lack of attention, and apathy is the high volume of available channels to interact. People are connected without feeling connected. While this instant access can connect us directly to our clients, it can also be utilized by our competitors just as easily. Gone are the days where we had one channel of communication with our customers. All these communication options, it's almost impossible to hold your customers' attention anymore. We are all scared that one day a social media post can change the fortunes of a business or that of our competitors will directly target a long-standing customer. The flood of access we have at our fingertips is powerful, but how can we keep it in control? Access is nothing without control, believe me. Wouldn't it be great to communicate with your clients simply and transparently in real time while embracing all the potential platforms your customer uses? Yeah? Wouldn't it be reassuring to know that your team hasn't missed a customer message regardless of what platform it was sent on, while improving response time and having a complete history of all previous interactions with that customer? Wouldn't a faster, mistake-free response to your customers help keep them satisfied and engaged with your service? Good news, Kayako has actually helped solve this problem. How? Well, with a simple interface, Kayako pulls all conversations and interactions into one. I'll explain. Kayako has taken a help desk, shared inbox, and other key features and turned them into a user-friendly, comprehensive chat portal. Everything in one place. This powerful chat feature is the central point of the Kayako platform. If your customer starts a conversation via email, then switches to another platform like Twitter to continue it, Kayako pulls all those threads into one conversation. One view and one easy way for you to respond. Can you see the benefit of this? You can control the conversation via chat and reply instantly. No more confusion. No more switching screens. No more losing track of conversations. You can interact with your customers intentionally and quickly switch from your mobile to your laptop. How does this sound? Well, can we arrange a time for me to show you around the tool and see how it can work in your current environment? Okay? Do you have any questions for me now? Thank you.